Students, our next chapter is algebraic expression. In this algebraic expression, we are going to understand some terms related to it. The first one is constant and variable. Now, constant is something that is number. Numbers are called constant. A symbol which has a fixed value is called constant. You can take the example as 8, 23. It means the numbers are called constant, and variables are symbol which does not have any fixed value but may be assigned value according to the requirement. It is called variable. Now, alphabets, basically alphabets that is starting from A to Z are the variables which are used in algebraic expression, algebraic terms, and constant are the numbers. Now, next thing is term. Now, what is term? When constant and variable both combine together, it form term. You can see here term is a number or a constant, a variable, a combination, product or quotient of numbers are called variables, of numbers and variables. So terms are, it can be a constant, it can be a variable, or it can be a combination of both variable and constant that are called term. Here you can see some example: 7, x, 5x. You can take example as 5x square. Now here the term is taken as 3x, y, etc. Now the next thing is algebraic expression, which is a chapter. Now what is algebra? First we should understand what is algebra. Algebra is the combination of variable and constant. An algebraic expression, we have different type of algebraic expression and symbols. So algebraic expressions are formed by using different type of symbol like plus, minus, multiplication, addition, division, etc. These are called, with the help of these signs, algebraic expression is formed. Now first algebraic expression is monomial, then we have binomial, trinomial, and then polynomial, or it is also called multinomial. Now monomial, the word mono means one. Monomial means an algebraic expression which is having only one term, and we have already understood that term is combination of constant and variable. So here monomial is one term. So here you have they have taken so many example like 3, 6 by 11, x, 7x, 8xy. So monomial is only formed when the algebraic expression is not algebraic expression does not have any plus or minus sign in between. Then we have monomial. Now binomial is algebraic expression which contain only two different terms is called binomial. Now two different terms, they are having two different terms, and also it has been separated by plus or minus sign. Here you can see 8 plus x. Now here they have taken two terms, but it has been separated by plus sign, or it can also be separated by minus sign. Then it is called binomial. You can see the another example, that is xy minus 4, 4x upon y minus 8y, and so many. So binomial means having two terms separated by plus or minus sign. And in the same way, trinomial having three terms separated by three different terms separated by plus or minus sign. Here they have taken the first example as 3 plus x plus y. The next one is 7x plus 11 minus y square. Now it is having three term. You can see it has been separated by plus sign. In the next example, it has been separated by plus and minus sign. So this is called trinomial. Polynomial means many. Poly means many. So terms having many, expression having many terms. So here you can see these are the example of polynomial having more than three term. It is called polynomial. Then the next is the degree of polynomial. Now what is the degree of polynomial? The highest power of variable in the degree is the degree of the polynomial. Now they have taken an example of trinomial expression. Here in this trinomial expression, you can see the highest power is 2. Power means exponent. So the highest power here you can see in this expression, the highest power is 2. So it will be having degree as 2. Now here you can see the degree of polynomial is 5 because the highest power in this expression, in this whole expression is x power 5. So degree is 5. Here the degree is 8 because you can see y with highest degree is 8. So it is 8. Degree of this 8 minus 5x is 1. So the highest power is 1. So the degree of polynomial will be 1. Now next thing is coefficient. Now what is coefficient? Coefficient is any factor of an algebraic quantity is called coefficient of the remaining quantity. So you can only understand this by example. Suppose if I take a term 3xy or 3x square a. Now if it is said to take the coefficient of y, what we will do? We will hide y, and if we hide y, what is left? 3x. So this is the coefficient of y. Now if I say what is the coefficient of a in this term, so we will hide a and we will write rest of the term which is left, that is called the coefficient. Now in this, if it is asked to find the coefficient of x, so it will be 3y. If it is asked to find the coefficient of 3, it will be xy. Now here, if it is asked to find the coefficient of x square, it will be 3a. If it is asked to find the coefficient of 3, it will be x square a. Similarly, they have taken an algebraic term 7xyz. 7 is the coefficient of xyz. 7x is the coefficient of yz. xy is the coefficient of z, and xz is the coefficient of 7y. So this is called the coefficient. Whatever coefficient we have to find, whatever coefficient is asked in the question, we will hide that term, we will hide that constant or variable, and whatever is left we will write, that is only called coefficient. Then we have like and unlike term. Now what are like and unlike term? If I write 3x, 2x, 5x, etc., this is called like term. And some more example, if I take 2x square, 7x square, 9x square, these are called like term because here you can see x square is common everywhere. So like terms are the terms in which the variables are common everywhere. Here also you can see variables are common, so it is called like term. Unlike term in which variables are not common, so you can take the example as 3x, 2x square, 2y, 2, etc. So this is a unlike term. Now student, you can see exercise 7a. We have some question to solve. In the first part it is given as separate the constant and variable from the following. So you have to separate the constant and variable. Now here you can see minus 7 is constant, 7 is constant, and x is variable. 7 is constant and x is variable. YZ is variable. In similar way we will solve this. The next part is write the number of terms in each of the following polynomials. Write the number of terms. So here you can see number of term is term 1, term 2, and here the number of term is 2 because it has been separated with plus sign only one time. So here the terms are 2. Now here the terms are again 2. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. There are total 4 terms in this question. 2, third part. In question 4, the term is, it is written as 23 plus AB by 2. So here you can see only 2 terms, so it is 2 terms. Now they are saying to separate monomials, binomials, trinomials, and polynomials. So here you can see this is binomial, this is monomial, this one is trinomial, this one is polynomial. So you can solve this by your own because we have just understood all these things. The next one is write the degree of each of the polynomial given below. So in this the degree is 1. Again here the degree, you can see the highest power is cube, so the degree is 3. Here degree will be 8. Here degree will be 3. The total degree will be 3. Then the next part is write the coefficient of, so coefficient of AB will be 7x. Here coefficient of 7a is bx. Coefficient of 5x square is minus 1 minus 5x. In this way we will find the coefficient in question number 5 and 6. Then we are going to separate the like terms in question number 7. So like term we have just understood. Here you can see it is given 3xy. You will search where xy is given. Here you can see. So like term for 3x is minus 8yx, or xy it is same thing. Then we have minus 4yx square. So the companion for this is this one, 2.5x square y. So in this way we will separate the like and unlike terms. So this was the short introduction of algebra. In next video we will study about the addition and multiplication part. We will study addition, subtraction and multiplication.